Tired of being chained to your iPad just to access your Goodnotes notes? Let's break free and sync those precious notes to your Windows device. First, ensure iCloud sync is enabled within Goodnotes on your iPad. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner, select Settings, then iCloud Settings and confirm that iCloud sync is toggled on. Now, head over to your Windows device and download iCloud for Windows from the Microsoft Store. It's free and essential for this seamless sync. Install iCloud for Windows, launch it, and sign in with the same Apple ID you use on your iPad. Critically, make sure the Goodnotes option is checked before applying the changes. Once synced, navigate to iCloud Drive in your Windows File Explorer. You should find a dedicated Goodnotes folder housing all your notebooks and documents. Any changes you make on your iPad will automatically reflect on your Windows device, and vice versa. This ensures your notes are always up to date, regardless of which device you're using. And that's it. You're now free to access, edit, and collaborate on your Goodnotes notebooks from both your iPad and your Windows device. Happy note-taking!